Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change page orientation to portrait and landscape in Google Docs. So how to change page orientation to portrait and landscape in Google Docs? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this File menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Page Setup menu. Well, here, a menu like this appears. Here there are lots of menu options. Here there are two options for the orientation of the Google Docs page. There are Portrait and Landscape. Here I will change to Landscape. Tap Landscape. And tap OK. Well, you can see here the page orientation is Landscape. To change to Portrait, just go back to the Pages Setup menu earlier. And in the Orientation section, tap Portrait. And tap OK. Well, you can see here that it is changed to a portrait again. So that's it, tutorial how to change page orientation to portrait and landscape in Google Docs. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.